Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like a tabula or like that things from your Lenovo Tab Yoga 11. So at the start, if you see something like that, when you're trying to visit any site, the spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and by the antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now, by the settings. Then in the settings, go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before, just unwanted app, just open it and click on install. Configure it by OK, and that's it. In the second step, go back to the app list and choose your web browser. Now look for the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. And after that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. In my case it's Avast, so click next and skip. Now we need to close to ads and choose continuous free. Now tap on the start scan and add a permission. Go back to the Avast and choose the scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the malwares, viruses and notification software should be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.